boys, yeah, we boys forever. Stacking the money, we getting the cheddar. Whatever we do.
Hello, CTP Nation! Welcome back to our 2025 recap. In this video, we go over our craziest moments of the year. Grab your popcorn and start your engines. Number 15. It's Tanner gets crossed up. While riding at the farm, Tanner hits a kicker while approaching a jump. The sudden change in motion causes him to lose balance, resulting in his bike kicking to the side. While it might look cool on camera, Tanner was scared for his life. Hang on, cowboy. Number 14. Watch out for this washout. It's Tanner puts a little too much trust in his front end on a rainy day. Luckily, no one was around to see this embarrassing mistake. Keep your head up, Tanner. At least you didn't stall your bike. Number 13. Bucking Bronco. Learning to jump can be difficult. Luckily, Sophia held on to this beast. You go, girl. Number 12. Tire disaster. Learning a new skill takes time and patience. It's Tanner had to learn the hard way when changing Mason's TTR 125 tire. Better luck next time? Number 11. Ready, set, stall. Learning to start is a fundamental lesson of motocross. Keep practicing, and you will be riding with the pros in no time. Number 10. Let it snow. Riding in the snow is quite the challenge. Mason and Tanner discovered this in the funniest way possible. Watch as they both struggle to keep their bikes off the ground. Hey boys, snow angels are easier without motorcycles. Number 9. Gymnastics. While riding through the woods, Preston hits a slick spot. While the lead-up wasn't pretty, the judges scored his dismount a 10 out of 10. You're in the wrong sport, buddy. Number 8. Kaboom. While there is no footage of the tire self-destructing, we get a funny moment of the aftermath. Get those gains, son. Number 7. Little tires. While riding at Burnt Ridge, Mason's tire got buried in a rut. The aftermath? Rut 1, Mason 0. Number 6. Speed bump. While riding at Burnt Ridge, Tanner hit a bump while turning and went for a ride. How's that clutch lever doing? Number 5. Watch out for that ditch. Sophia was riding in the woods when suddenly, boom! Those darn ditches. This girl is tough as nails.
I didn't see the dip.
Number 4. Coming in hot. CTP Loop must really like swimming.
Oh, Mason! Oh! Mason! Oh no!
I know it's wet out, but was the dive really necessary? Before we count down our top 3 craziest moments, be sure to like and subscribe. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. Number 3, a respectable send. Holy cow, Preston! I respect the commitment, but maybe stiffen your suspension next time. Number 2, jump with a side of whiskey. Tanner tries to hit a jump, but his weight is positioned too far back. This could have been disastrous. Goon riding at its finest. And for our number 1 moment of 2025, Tanner was riding at Burnt Ridge and cased the finish line triple. How he held on is a mystery. Luck? Skill? We may never know. He might need a new pair of pants. Thank you for watching. See you next year.